On the latest episode of Let Jamie Talk, we talked about trucks and trailers. I'm here at my house and I want to actually show you the 5 trailers that I use. We're going to start with the oldest trailer, which was my dad's. I sort of inherited it, I guess, a little bit early. This one is a 20-foot long by 7-foot wide. It's used for hauling a tractor mostly, but I also haul lots of lumber and material for the job site. This is a great multi-purpose trailer. It can haul equipment, it can haul lumber. We used to haul job site trash on this thing with little sidewalls that we had built. So it can do almost anything. It's really heavy duty, has brakes, and also a really strong deck that's now reinforced with extra steel supports underneath that I just got done doing myself. And if I only had to have one trailer, this might be the one because it can do almost everything. Next up, I've got this 6x12 enclosed trailer. I've had this a long time, like 20 years. It needs a good washing right now, but it's been great. I'm gonna show you some modifications right here on the tongue. I beefed up this support right here by adding a 2x2 piece of steel. I think that really helped to make it strong because I was constantly overloading it. Over here, I added another axle and another wheel with brakes on all 4 wheels now. I took a street sign and extended my fender. You can see these rivets right here. I just took the original fender, I sawed it in half with a skill saw and extended it. That was pretty fun. And in the back, you gotta check this out. This is the best part about this trailer. It has a ramp that folds down. Oh, yeah. It's not that hard to pull. I just make it sound pretty bad. Here we go. Right now, it's loaded up with some sound equipment. Here's the little piece of metal I added to extend and get this nice low step up into the ramp. And another piece right here that bridges the gap between the ramp and the bed of the trailer. Those are critical parts for the way that I use this trailer rolling in things with small wheels. Trailer number 3 here is a 5x14. It's a little bit of an odd size. My dad bought this for hauling a John Deere yard tractor, which is the primary use I use it for is a lawnmower trailer, but it's also great at hauling lightweight building materials or anything else that'll fit on here that's not very heavy. This trailer does not have brakes, and I did reinforce it though a little bit with some extra supports underneath the decking because I just like doing that. Here's my little homemade dump trailer. Now this may not be too impressive, but I'm awfully proud of it just because it took a minimal amount of money and effort to turn this regular lawnmower trailer into, I would call, an amazing little lightweight dump trailer. I've used this thing for like 5 years on the job site. It's been our only dump trailer until we got the new TopShelf trailer, which by the way, far exceeds what this is capable of. But at any rate, in a pinch, this will do a lot of work and it has served me well. I guess we've saved the best for last. This is the biggest and baddest trailer I have, the TopShelf dump trailer, 7x14 with a 3-foot sidewall and a cover over top because you can't have stuff blowing out while you're going down the highway unless you like getting tickets. This trailer out of all these has really exceeded my expectations the most. I've done more work with this trailer in the last 2 or 3 months than I have my homemade dump trailer in the last 5 years, if that puts it into perspective. Now that I've had this thing, I don't know how I could live without it. Well, that's a wrap for the 5 trailers that I use for work almost every day. Let me know what you think if I need another trailer and what kind would it be.